Welcome! If you've ever been surprised by a photo you're tagged in on Instagram, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you exactly how to manually approve tagged photos on Instagram, so you stay in control of what appears on your profile. This is the updated method for 2025, and it only takes a few moments. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in to the account you want to manage. Now, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, look for the menu icon, the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Tap it to open up a list of options. From here, select Your Activity. This section is where you can manage everything related to your interactions and content on Instagram. Next, scroll down and tap on Tags. This is where you'll find all the posts you've been tagged in. At the top right, you'll see three dots. Tap them to open more options. Now choose Manage Setting. You'll see a toggle labeled Manually Approve Tags. Switch this on. Instagram will ask you to confirm your choice, so go ahead and confirm. That's it. From now on, whenever someone tags you in a photo or video, you'll get a notification and can decide whether or not it appears on your profile. No more unwanted surprises. Only the photos you approve will be visible to your followers. If you ever want to review or change your settings, just repeat these steps. This feature gives you full control over your tagged content, helping you maintain your personal brand and privacy. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Instagram tips and updates. See you in the next video.